Ateni kuchopele kilo Yemi yafuna kugula Hadi pese kukapye Hina nifuna zami-mba Hina nifuna mapapa Hina nifuna shida Eva masindi mwende omwe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. So today I'm about to show you this nice hairstyle that I'm gonna rock, okay? Right now I just fell in love with another gel. You know I got love for my Tresemme gel, but this time I'm using this Got To Be gel that I love. This one too is like one of my faves. So yeah, I'm just gonna start by, trying to tame this afro. I'm just going to part this on the middle. Today we're using this middle part, okay guys? And then I'll just section it into 3 parts. I'll start working with the back. And then I'm just gonna continue with the rest of the hair. Just gelling this down. Trying to make this as sleek as possible, guys. You know my hair is, is coarse. But we work with it. And I'm going to use my water just to moisturize this hair, making this as soft as possible so that the gel can just slide all the way through, honey. Slide. Just make sure you add enough gel, guys, for this hairstyle to come out nice and sleek. And use this brush just to brush it down, And then I'll just take this styling strip to secure my hair. The styling strips help my hair to be more sleek than just, wearing a scarf. And then I'll just use a Durac, a normal Durac. Yep. Okay, now guys, we're done laying this hair. I'm just going to start with my makeup using my primer by MAC, my Prep and Prime, as usual. I already have my eyebrows done, guys. I'm going to start with my shadow. I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in color light yellow corrector. I want to use this because I want my colors to pop, so don't mind me because the concealer is really bright. All right, guys, I'll be using this Juvias palette, guys. Woo! Yes, boo, yes. I'll be using the Makeda color all over my crease, guys, and just, blend it well. I'll go back with my concealer just on my lid because I'm trying to have this pink. I'm trying to use another color for it to pop out more. And then I'm using this this pink color. It's called the Bori. Yeah, it's nice and popping. Yes, honey, I'm feeling all summery. I'm matching my top. Okay, so yeah, guys. For my liquid liner, guys, I'll be using this Better Than Sex by Too Faced. I love this liquid liner, guys. It works well for me. You guys can try it. It's really nice. I like it. For my lashes, I'm using this mink lashes that I got from the beauty supply. And for my foundation, I'm just going to use my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the color NC44. And I'll just apply that all over my face with my beauty blender. And, you know, blend well. Blend everywhere, guys. All right, for my highlight, guys, for my concealer, I'm just using Eraser Instant Age Rewind in the color 150. Right, for my contour, guys, I'll be using this NYX concealer in the color Mocha. And I'll be using the brush for this. And then I'll just use my beauty blender and just blend everything out, starting with my highlight, you know, under my eyes. And then just blending everything out, you know. To set my concealer, I'll be using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This is the holy grail, guys. The holy grail, okay? And then to blend everything out, guys, I'm just going to use my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish Powder in the color Dark. I'm just going to use that all over my face and just to blend everything out, guys, you know. Okay, guys, for the blush, I'm just using this Too Faced Apricot in the Act Blush Duo. So I'm using the blush as well as the highlight from the same palette. And I'll just highlight on my cheeks as well as on the bridge of my nose. For the waterline, guys, I'm just going to be using the same palette that I used, the same color that I used on my lid, and that's the Bori. And then I'll just take a little bit of the Dahlia, that's the blue, and I'll just apply that really on my waterline. I like the combination. All right, guys, so for my mascara, I'm using this Better Than Sex by Too Faced as well. I love this. I love this mascara. I'll be using this Urban Decay setting spray. For my lips, I'll be using this NYX lip liner, and the lipstick is Lady Balls by Too Faced. I love this lipstick, guys. It makes my lips pop, pop, pop to the gods. Hey, pop, pop, pop for the gods. Hey, pop, a pop, a pop for the gods. Hey. Alright guys, so you know I already slicked down my hair. I'm just going to use X-pression Hair. I'll take the whole pack of the X-pression Hair, guys, and just feather the ends a little bit and brush those out. I'll take the rubber band the way it comes from the pack, straight from the pack. I'll just put that on my head and then I'll just braid that down. I'll braid that down until the end and then twist a little bit and tie a knot at the end, guys. You see some flyaways, just use some scissors, cut those out, you know, so that it's nice and sleek. And then I'll be taking some hair, some more X-pression hair from another pack, just a little bit so that I can cover the braid on with my natural hair, just to, you know, so it looks nice and natural, just the way I'm doing right there. And then I'm just going to add some bobby pins as well as I go around. And after that, I'm just going to use some accessories that I got from Amazon, guys. Oh my gosh, you know I'm the accessorizing queen, okay? I'm just going to be adding some of this, you know, accessory all the way down. And this makes my look go from 0, 0, 0 to 100. Okay. Oh, girl. Seriously, these accessories make my style go from 0 to 100. Wow, sis. Okay. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. I had to go change my top because I'm feeling myself too much tonight. Alright. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Please let me know what you guys want to see in my next video. I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys like my hair, my accessorized hair, you know me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Alrighty. Toodles. Stay blessed. Bye. Mwah. Atende kuchopele kilo. Yeme yafuna kugula. Hadi pese kukapye. Hey. Hinanifuna zami hinanifuna mapapa hinanifuna shida kama zindi mwendo omwe kama zindi mwendo omwe iwe kama zindi mwendo omwe.